I never thought I'd feel like this.
Hello and welcome back to this new video of mine. Little life update, and this is basically what this entire video is gonna be about, is that I'm gonna move to the US. I cannot wrap my head around it yet. It's so weird still. I'm gonna study there for a few months. So basically it's not like a move, but it's a move, you know? I have to get my shit together and just look at how it looks like right now. I'm a bit embarrassed. Yeah, no words. It's a mess. I'm a mess. I have to declutter a lot. I actually really like declutter. So I've been absent the past few months, and I have to say I did not have my life together. But I feel like this right now is just showing how much I don't have my life together. So this is my closet. This is my other closet. What did I do? So this is basically the start of me packing. Because I was like, okay, here's my skincare, part of it. And I've been traveling the entire few weeks. So basically all my travel stuff is still in here, which is practical, but also shit. That's just my life right now. So that's the entire vlog. Me getting my life back together, doing a full reset, and getting ready to go abroad. Yay! I'm on my way to the city right now because I need to get some things before I leave, and I'm also gonna meet a friend of mine. So my mission today is to get some skincare, but I'm like, I paid a lot of money for my skincare, and even though I did not use it all, I feel too embarrassed to throw it away. So I'm not throwing it away, which ends up that I have skincare from over 3 years ago, which is not healthy. Get another makeup bag because I want to take a lot of makeup with me, and yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna grab a coffee later. Cannot wait. I just bought some smaller crystals that I can take with me. I'm gonna show you everything later, and now I'm gonna look for skincare. I'm back home, and I would say let's get right into this haul. I'm just gonna start with the big bag. I bought a makeup bag, just a simple basic one. I just wanted the opportunity to bring a bit more, so that's why I thought this might be good, and if I don't need it I can just fold it up. Very easy, very practical. Next up, I needed a new pen. I noticed I don't even have a pen at home, so that was not fun, so I got one. So it was on discount. It has a cute heart here. Basic, simple, €2. Perfect. And now to my favorite part of this haul. I got skincare and I got crystals. I showed you a little bit of that. I would say we first start with the crystals. Look how cute this is. I cannot. So I want like smaller crystals that I can take with me because we have some crystals here at home, but they're too big for me to travel with. This one is so pretty. Look at this. So nice. Actually matches my nails here. This is a Caribbean blue calcite. It's supposed to be giving you serenity. You can also use it while meditation and just enhance your spirituality. So I was like, I just like the color and I felt like this had a really good vibe to it. So I like that one. This one, if I'm not mistaken, should be the rose quartz. I mean, rose quartz, we all know it's about relationships, enhancing love and positivity, yeah, just enhancing personal relationships. Then this one, I actually do not know what type of stone that is. I mean, it looks very similar to the rose quartz, but it is not. I'm gonna take the price tag off as well. So I have one card here that's saying malachite, and it could be a malachite, but I actually do not know. And I think that one does not have a card. And I wish I would remember the name of it. So one of these two is a malachite. I'm lost right now, so that's not so good. They are all supposed to give you protection, balance, and just make you feel more intuitive. And lastly, I got a lavender quartz, and it's supposed to enhance you trusting in your abilities and your intuition. These are the 5 crystals I got. I feel like, yeah, they're perfect. I love them. And now to the next and very, very interesting part to me, skincare. What I got is this AHA and BHA clarifying treatment toner from CosRx. It's a really good toner. So I've had this one before and I ran out of mine, and that's actually the first toner that I've ever run out of. And that was one of the few toners that really made a difference for me. So yeah, that's amazing. I love this thing. I got influenced on TikTok, I have to say. But I saw people talking about the snail serum by CosRx, and I really trust that brand now because I have a few things from them and I really, really love them. And I was like, snail? And then I looked into it and it's supposed to be so hydrating, and my skin is dry AF right now. Like, it's literally a desert on here. I cannot. And it's supposed to also give a glow. I don't know, it looked so interesting, and the texture is supposed to be very like slimy. I mean, now that I think about it, that it's actually coming from a snail, I'm a bit disgusted. But I'm also so interested. By the way, this video is so chaotic, I'm so sorry. But I got back into planning. I don't know if that's correct because I just planned yesterday the first time again, but it was lovely. But first I have a shit show going on here right now in the apartment. There's story time now. Okay, so listen. I've been meaning to clean up this apartment for the past 2 days already. Do you think I did any of that? No, but it has a reason. I mean, the first reason is that the first day I arrived here I was lazy, and that's okay. We all have those days and we all need sometimes to reset, so I just spent the day reading on the couch, which I thoroughly enjoyed until suddenly, which I assumed at least, that it was coming from my bad posture, that I started to have a migraine. And the thing is, I'm very prone to migraines. So I went upstairs where our bed is. Like, I just wanted to sleep, and suddenly there's like this weird smell going on. Where's this coming from? Turns out it was such an intense chemical smell. Like, I could not breathe there anymore. Like, it was burning in my lungs, and I was like, what the hell is going on here right now? So I don't know if you've ever had a migraine, but if you have a migraine, it is very difficult to move, at least for me. I'm gonna get very nauseous, and in general, moving is a chore. Like, getting up, doing things, it's terrible because your body just gets so weak that I was like, something is not right here. So I went downstairs and tried to get some air from the window. And I was literally sitting on this chair in front of the window and I was trying to breathe, and I felt like I was literally gonna fall over and faint because of like the smell, me not knowing what it even is. So I got really scared and I had a migraine. So all these three things combined, not a good thing. That's why I'm so behind schedule, because it turns out that I couldn't even sleep there that night. So yeah, it turns out that the person living underneath us was painting their apartment. So that's what it was. It's not a healthy smell. It's not good for you. So I'm really glad that my friend took me in, but that's why I'm so behind schedule, because I couldn't even be in my apartment. I couldn't literally be here physically without keeping all the windows open. So that was a bit frightening. That's that. Thank you so much for listening. I'm just gonna sit down. I have to go through all of this and decide what I want to take with me and what I want to declutter. I don't even know how all of this fit in the closets. I actually do not know. I don't want to. I need a nap after this. This is insane. I think I'm gonna make 2 piles of what I want to take with me, and the rest I'm then gonna organize for the closets. I think that's the best thing I can do right now, because everything else would be a mess. Sure. As if it isn't already. This is definitely gonna go with me. Zack. This I'm gonna take 2. No. Yes. Cute. Yes. Maybe. It's a maybe. Yes. Oh, it's not getting less. Yes. Nope. 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 Oh, I didn't even know I have this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So this is what I'm planning on taking with me, which is quite a lot, so that's not gonna work. And this is what I'm gonna keep here. I don't think that works.
Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mind's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it full.
So we're in a bar right now. Oh, this is sour. This stuff is sour.
Yeah, it's salt.
I thought it was sugar.
This is half ring salt. You can get full ring salt or like non-salty.
Better without the salt.
You wanna try?
Ooh. You wanna try mine?
Yes.
3 days later.
I have to talk about something. The situation is the following. I just feel a bit disaligned with what I'm gonna do. I feel like a lot of fear coming up, a lot of blockages and a lot of limiting beliefs. And I feel like for myself, it is really tough right now to overcome those and to overcome that fear. Knowing that I'm gonna leave here, that I'm not gonna see my home for a few months, that's kind of, I mean, by now it's so normalized to do that. I feel like everyone around me who did it so far, like traveling for a few months, they were never, like it never seemed so difficult for them to let go of their home. They were always excited. Right now, I'm at the point where this frightens me because I don't feel like everyone else is feeling about this. I don't feel the way they are feeling because for me, it's very, very stressful in the sense of it's very scary to do. And it's a very painful process to let go of everyone around me right now. Yeah, I think it's a growing period that I really need to go through. I think I just need to let it go. But it is difficult. It is more difficult than I thought it would be. This is my last evening here and I'm thinking heavily right now about ordering some sushi. Because why not go all out, right? Why not spoil myself tonight? Yeah, and tomorrow I'm gonna drive to my parents then. That's the plan for now. I still need to clean, which I'm not in the mood for, but it has to be done. I just wanted to bring that out there to you right now in case you need it.
Can I talk to Kate?
It's warm.
One, it's frost.
Oh my god. Rise and shine. We slept one night in a hotel in Frankfurt now. I slept so bad. I haven't slept this bad in a very long time, but I'm just so nervous. And it really pains me, like the change and saying goodbye to everyone. It's so weird. On top of that, yesterday night, my shampoo leaked into my entire cosmetic bag, so I needed to fix that in the middle of the night still. Gonna talk to you later. Bye. So I haven't looked at myself in a while now and I look pathetic. I have a layover in Houston right now for 5 hours and then it's going further to Florida. But I paid for this 1 liter of water and this, the Starbucks, $14 because the water cost $7. What the hell? I'm disappointed. And they also didn't have any warm drinks at Starbucks, nothing. I'm just tired. Oh my god. I got my first ever Wendy's burger. It's the only thing that was reasonably priced here because the Caesar's wrap was $16. I don't think so. So here we go. And my name is going to be spelled Chantal, Shantol now. These fries actually look really, really good. I'm so surprised. And here's the burger. Okay, so maybe it's just me, but I really find this better than McDonald's. Personal opinion. Maybe unpopular, I don't know.